In the world of high-performance computing packed into minimalist design, few devices command the kind of respect the Mac Mini does. Apple's compact desktop solution has consistently challenged expectations, delivering blazing fast performance in a deceptively tiny form factor. Now, in 2025, Apple is about to revolutionize it again with the M4 Mac Mini, and this time, the upgrades are bolder, smarter, and shockingly unexpected. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you thought the M2 or M2 Pro Mac Mini models were the peak of performance efficiency, you're in for a surprise. The M4 chip not only redefines speed and thermal optimization, but also integrates next-generation AI processing, faster unified memory, and studio-grade graphical capabilities. Whether you're a developer, content creator, or just a macOS enthusiast, the M4 Mac Mini is Apple's sleeper hit of 2025. Let's dive deep into everything we know, everything leaked, and all the hidden surprises about the upcoming M4-powered Mac Mini. At the heart of this beast is the newly announced Apple M4 chipset, the next major leap in Apple Silicon. Apple promises that the M4 will outperform the M2 by over 50% in real-world multi-threaded workloads. The M4 is built on 3nm second-gen TSMC architecture. Includes 12 CPU cores, 8 performance plus 4 efficiency cores. Packs in 16-core neural engine, 60% faster than M2's. New GPU design with hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Peak performance with minimal energy consumption, perfect for a small desktop like Mac Mini. This allows the M4 Mac Mini to run ultra-heavy workflows including 8K ProRes editing, Logic Pro projects, Xcode compiles, and AI simulations without breaking a sweat. Apple is raising the bar by expanding the Mac Mini's unified memory capacity and bandwidth. Up to 64 GB of unified memory, double from M2 Pro variant. Bandwidth increase from 200 GB per second to 256 GB per second on higher configs. Faster SSDs with potential 8 TB max storage. This means heavy multitasking, virtual machine environments, and real-time rendering are more seamless than ever before. For developers and professionals working on AI or video workloads, this is a dream desktop. You might wonder, will the design change? While Apple keeps its aesthetic consistent, thermal redesigns are confirmed. Internal architecture includes dual vapor chambers for heat dissipation. Quieter fan design, nearly silent under full load. Slightly thicker chassis, around 3 to 5 mm, but barely noticeable. The result? More headroom for performance without overheating, unlocked performance without compromise. The M4 chip isn't just fast, it's AI-centric. Apple has fully integrated its new on-device AI models within macOS 15 Sequoia, optimized especially for M4 hardware. Live language translation across apps. On-device ChatGPT-style assistant that works offline. Code suggestions in Xcode using ML. AI photo and video editing in Final Cut Pro with background object detection, smart cropping, and 3D masking. AI is not just a feature anymore, it's baked into the experience. The M4 Mac Mini is expected to carry over and